Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a TikTok feature that allows you to download and watch TikTok videos offline. So basically it's all within the TikTok app and it's a pretty straightforward process. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select your profile icon in the bottom right and then select the hamburger icon in the top right corner. Select settings and privacy and then go down to where it says underneath cache and mobile, select offline videos. So at this point, you can go ahead and have TikTok automatically download you so many videos between 50 and 200. It'll give you an estimate of the size of the videos as well. So basically, they'll be refreshed with new content when you've next connected to Wi-Fi. So it gives you a little rundown time of how much watch time this has too. So you'll have a decent amount of content to review once you are offline. And you just would select download, and then it shouldn't take too long to download it depending on your connectivity speed. And that's pretty much all you'd have to do. Pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.